Every day, your roof expands and contracts with the temperature. That process is called thermal cycling. Watch this short video to learn how it can shorten your roof's usable lifespan and what you can do to help prevent it. First, let's explain what thermal cycling is. Thermal cycling is the repeated expansion and contraction that asphalt shingles undergo as temperatures rise and fall. When your roof heats up in the afternoon sun, the asphalt expands. When temperatures drop at night, it contracts. This happens daily. It also happens seasonally, swinging between summer heat and winter cold year after year. Over the course of a roof's lifetime, your shingles go through this cycle thousands of times. It's not a flaw in the material, it's just physics. But the stress accumulates over time. The severity of thermal cycling depends on the amplitude of the temperature swing and how often it happens. That means some climates are harder on asphalt shingles than others. Continental and high-altitude climates tend to be hardest on shingles. Wide daily temperature ranges, dramatic seasonal shifts, and frequent cycling during spring and fall transitions. Areas with both hot summers and cold winters are particularly tough. It's not just about how cold it gets, it's the distance between the extremes that matters. South-facing roof sections also cycle through larger temperature swings than north-facing ones, which is why you often see damage develop unevenly across the same roof. Thermal cycling doesn't work in isolation. Its effects compound with UV damage. Here's how. UV radiation depletes the petrochemical oils in asphalt shingles, making them brittle. Brittle shingles have less flexibility to absorb the stress of thermal expansion and contraction, which means microcracks form faster. The two mechanisms feed each other. Oil depletion from UV makes thermal cycling more damaging. But thermal cycling also accelerates oil depletion because it loosens the granules that protect shingles from UV. Left unaddressed, these two factors together shorten a roof's useful life significantly. If you know what to look for, thermal cycling damage is visible before it becomes severe. Ridge cracking, cracks running along the peak of the roof, is one of the most common early signs. Tab lifting at shingle edges and cupping across shingle surfaces both indicate that the asphalt has lost enough flexibility to maintain its shape under repeated cycling stress. Adequate attic ventilation and insulation help moderate the temperature differential between the exterior and the deck below, reducing the intensity of each cycle and slowing the accumulation of stress. For qualifying roofs, Roof Maxx treatment replenishes the petrochemical oils that thermal cycling and UV exposure have depleted. This process restores the flexibility shingles need to keep absorbing stress without cracking or lifting. Treatment is most effective in the window when shingles are aging but still structurally intact, before cycling damage compounds to the point where restoration is no longer an option. If you live in a climate with significant temperature swings, don't wait for ridge cracks or lifted tabs to tell you the damage has already arrived. Get a Roof Maxx evaluation before thermal cycling reaches the point of no return. Many homeowners who use Roof Maxx to maintain their roofs successfully extend the usable lifespan of their asphalt shingles for years. Find a dealer near you at roofmaxx.com.